Welcome to DJH Preston Sports. We've just acquired this lovely high specification Range Rover Dynamic with the Lux pack on, which gives you a bigger definition on the bumpers. It's very high spec this. Wait to the end of the video to hear it all. So you've got front park distance control, upgraded gloss black alloy wheels, finishing Italian Firenze red with the black panoramic roof, privacy glass at the back, rear park distance control, Lux pack rear bumper, boot area is in lovely condition, tyres are all in absolutely superb condition as you can see, paintwork is popping, really being looked after, cam belt's been changed, electric tailgate, lovely two-tone leather and red interior, full panoramic roof, electric memory seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, interior's all in lovely condition. Inside the car got Meridian Hi-Fi, cruise control, I'll just start it up. It's a 626 miles. Touch screen, TV on this with dual screen. There you go. And we've got the dual screen display. Parktronic. Home page. Satellite navigation. Reverse camera, all working there. Different driving modes and styles, 3-stage heated seats, air conditioning. We need a bit of this in this weather, let's get that down. Parktronic. Searching for parallel parking. Got ambient lighting. Eco data, stealth, 4-wheel drive data, camera settings, 360 camera all the way around, all working. There you go, it's in lovely condition. Very big spec. And DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.